How to update to iOS 18.3 beta version. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can update your iPhone to iOS 18.3 beta version. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app. And once you are in the settings app, you can simply scroll down and tap on general. And under the general section, you will find the software update option. You simply go ahead and tap on that. Now make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network and you will see it load and search for the latest updates available. I have turned off my update options, but if you haven't done it so already, you will need to enable beta updates on this page. If it is turned off, you can simply tap on it and toggle it on. Once you have turned on, you should be able to see iOS 18.3 beta update available for download. Now just tap on update now to start the update, or you can choose update tonight if you want to schedule it for later. And after that, your iPhone will be start downloading and installing the iOS 18.3 beta update. And that's it. You will be able to update your iPhone to iOS 18.3 beta version successfully. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.